Welcome back to the channel. Today is July the 11th, 2026, and we are in Huber Heights, Ohio at the Buc-ee's.
It's been a while since we brought you guys a video, but life's been a little bit busy, so we had an opportunity this afternoon to come down and check out the Buc-ee's, so here we are. We did put the drone up, and we can tell you that the logo is not on the roof. We're standing on the bike area, which is one of the newer features that they just started to put in at some of the Buc-ee's. We did bring you a YouTube short of this a few weeks ago when we first found out that it was open, and now we're going to show it to you here on a long form video. It's a little rainy here today in Ohio, but looks like the rain's moving out now, so we're also going to take you inside the store and give you a little bit of a walkthrough. We'll see if they've replaced all the 4th of July merchandise. I doubt we're going to find it marked down on sale.
Probably not.
But we'll see what they've replaced it with, or maybe they've left it up for America's 250th birthday celebration. But
yeah, we'll see if they have the Ohio tumbler.
Yeah, the very hot and rare and very well sought after Ohio tumbler. We might not buy one, but if it's here, we'll show it to you. Okay, we've got some old business that we're going to take care of in this video. In the last Buc-ee's video that we made, we announced a contest. We're going to give away this America 250 magnet that Sonia's holding in her hand. The way you entered the contest was you simply typed a comment in that video that said, "I want that magnet." And Sonia did all the work of entering all the names onto the prize wheel. And we were going to do the drawing right here, right now in the opening, but there's too much glare for you to get a good look at that tablet screen. So we're going to do the drawing at the end of the video to give you a reason to stick around. So stick around to the end of the video and find out who the lucky winner of this magnet is. And for right now, we're going to go in the store and show you around.
Follow us.
Okay, this is the new bicycle area that they've got installed at the right off the south entrance. It's got a nice sidewalk leading up to it. So this bike area has this repair station right here, and there are several different tools that you can use to repair your bicycles, and they're all attached to this pole here with cables so they don't come up missing. They've even got a QR code here on the bicycle repair station. You can scan that and it'll give you a guide to repair your bicycle. You can go ahead and just scan that with your phone and you can check it out for yourself. They've also got 3 concrete benches where you can sit down around the repair station. And on the other end of the pad, they've got a fairly large bicycle rack for you to park your bicycle. And they've got 2 more concrete benches along with a trash can. And when we did this video to show you this, when we did our YouTube short, there wasn't so much mud all over this pad, but they're doing some work to the grass and the land all around this bicycle pad, so I'm sure once all that work is done, this will not be as dirty as it is today. So there you go, guys, the bicycle repair station and racks here at Buc-ee's. Here at the south entrance, they've got a large portion of the grass kind of tore up. Not quite sure what they're doing here, but you can see the pile of turf over there that's been removed, and the ground is all leveled out. I'm not sure if they're putting in a sprinkler system or if they got something else going on here, but that's a little bit of a change from the last time we were down here. Gas prices today, July 11th, 2026. We got $309.9 for 87, $349.9 for 89, $409.9 for super. Diesel was $419.9, and ethanol free is $429.9. We saw some comments on Facebook last week about window wash stations here at Buc-ee's. So we just wanted to show you that they do have them down here. They're kind of along the perimeter. You just have to look for them. You usually have the long stick sticking out of the container like you see there, but there are several of them down here in Huber Heights. They're just located along the perimeter. Here's a look at that 125-foot tall sign. See, the pole has been painted black. There's a lot of equipment down there, over there at the base of the sign. Not quite sure what they're doing over there, but a little bit of activity over there. You see, they still have this orange snow fence, construction fence, up here at the entrance to the little roadway that takes you back to the sign. So they still got some work to do back there. Okay, the America 250 Buc-ee inflatable is no longer here, but it's been replaced with the Party Time inflate. This one goes for $59.98. Okay, the America 250 merchandise has been replaced with the I'm a Beaver Believer collection. I'll give you a close-up look at the front and back of that shirt. So there's the back of the shirt. And this would be the front. And here's the rest of the collection for the I'm a Beaver Believer. Sonia's going to rotate that rack for us. Show you what they've got. And I do see down here on the bottom, we still have a few of the America 250's blankets for sale, and they are not marked down. We've got this sign hanging above the chicken and fries and the chicken sandwiches. Beaver Freezers. You get a free frozen treat with the purchase of chicken and fries while supplies last. Don't forget to pick that up if you're going for the chicken and fries here. So this is the free Beaver Freezer that you get with the purchase of chicken and fries. You get 4 selections here: strawberry chocolate, strawberry mango, and blueberry cheesecake. Now they do say this is as supplies last, so if these aren't available, then I guess you're not going to get any.
Yeah, chocolate's really low today.
Yeah, chocolate's very popular now. Regularly, these are $1.48 a piece. Okay, here at the south entrance to the store, the America 250 collection has been replaced with this design here. Here you see on the back of the shirt, it says, "My favorite days are Buc-ee days." There's the front of the shirt.
All right, I found a new item today. It's a candle. It looks like a Buc-ee's cup. It even has the actual plastic silicone top on the top of it. And it is $22.98. And the scent is cherry cola.
And just like all the other designs, they've got all the accessories here. And Sonia will spin the wheel, show us what all they have for this design.
They have the kid crew socks, and they do also have the adult socks.
I think this would be a popular design with VW Bug owners with that Volkswagen on there.
Yep.
And on the other side of the display, we've still got some America 250 blankets and also some tumblers and coolers with the America 250 design. Okay guys, as of July 11th, at the south entrance to the store, we have found the very hard to find Buc-ee's Ohio tumblers. This is the Fit 40 Plus. They cost you $29.98. And we don't remember seeing these here before. They've got some Winnie the Pooh shirts. These shirts are $17.99. I see them all the way up to size 2X. And I don't see any smalls, but I do see them mediums, medium large, and 2X.
All right, they do have now large round Buc-ee logo pillows for $9.98.
Kind of reminds you of the sign out by the road.
Yes, it does. And it's on both sides. And of course the sticker is a tag is a sticker.
Tag is a sticker. You know what they need now? They need a smaller one that says Huber Heights that you could put underneath that.
Yes, that'd be nice.
Okay, so the north entrance to the store, the America 250 collection has been replaced with this one you see here. The back of the shirt has a surfboard It says life is better at Buc-ee's. And this is what the front of the shirt looks like. Also got a couple cool hats over here. Kind of like that one there. And here's the other design. Okay, just like the other two entrances, Sonia's going to show us the accessory rack and what they've got here at the north entrance.
We have crew socks, no-show socks. Got some scrunchies, some bows, and some hair clips. Just a different design.
And here at the bottom, they've got a few of the America 250 blankets left over. Okay, they still have the Damon Darling merchandise here, close to the north entrance. Okay, we still got a little bit of glare going on here, but it's much better than it was when we were outside. So Sonia's going to go ahead and spin that wheel. We're going to find out who the lucky winner is. Everyday Life with the Bensons, 285. I know those guys, they're from Florida. We're gonna go ahead and put our email address on the screen. If you guys could please send us an email, we will get your shipping information and we will get that magnet sent out to you. Congratulations, Everyday with the Bensons, you are the lucky winner of the Buc-ee's America 250 magnet. Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations.
Okay, it looks like Sonia's grown a lot since we did the opening, but there's actually a curb out here. She's on the curb and I am not. Well, anyhow, it's a little bit busy down here today, but nowhere near as crazy busy as it was when they first opened. I guess it's been open now for, what, 3 months? A little more than 3 months. So we just wanted to come down here and see what might have changed since the last time we visited. So there's no logo on the roof. There's no EV chargers in place. There's no pressed penny machines. And they've got some of the grounds tore up. It looks like they're putting in a sprinkler system. Other than that, you know, the America 250 collection is gone. It's been replaced with some other collections.
You find a few 250 stuff laying around in the store, but not as prominent as it was before.
I think that that yellow Buc-ee's logo pillow, which looks like the sign, is going to be a big hit for $10.
It was nice.
Well, I think that's going to do it for today. I'd like to say congratulations to Everyday with the Bensons for being the big winners of the Buc-ee's America 250 magnet.
Congratulations.
You know that is a $5 value, Sonia.
It's good value.
Plus shipping.
Yeah.
Anyhow, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget the hype button.
Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Now here's something new to Buc-ee's, at least for us. It looks like they maintain a police presence here, at least on Saturday night. Don't remember seeing the police cruiser sitting in the parking lot the last time we were down here.